Imagine this: the city of dreams engulfed in flames. Homes reduced to ash, dreams turned into dust. The Los Angeles fire isn't just a catastrophe, it's a stark reminder of how quickly everything can be taken away. What would you do if everything you built was gone in an instant? But here's the thing. While fires destroy, they also teach. They teach resilience, strategy, and preparation. And today, I'm going to share lessons from this devastation that can help you fireproof your financial life and live a wealthy, unstoppable lifestyle. Now, before you think this is just another depressing video, don't worry. I'm not about to hand you a fire extinguisher and call it a day. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to handle life's wildfires, but also how to thrive in the aftermath. Ready? Let's dive in. The confrontation, lessons from the fire. Firefighters battling flames, evacuation scenes. First, let's talk about risk. The Los Angeles fire was fueled by a deadly combination of drought, winds, and neglected preparation. Sounds eerily familiar, doesn't it? Many of us live our financial lives the same way, ignoring warning signs, unprepared for emergencies. And when the unexpected strikes, it's too late. But here's the truth. Fires, literal or financial, don't announce themselves. Your first step? Build your financial firebreak. That means an emergency fund, insurance, and a plan that stands strong, even in a storm. But that's just the foundation. Let me show you why building wealth is not just about protection. It's about transformation. Green sprouts growing in blackened soil, rebuilding efforts. After every fire, the soil is richer, ready for new growth. That's your wealth mindset. The fire may burn what you've built, but it can't take away your ability to start again. Here's a key. Invest in assets, not liabilities. While others rebuild with debt, you'll rebuild with investments. Real estate, stocks, or even compounding. They're the seeds you plant in fertile soil. Pattern interrupt. Engaging question. Let me ask you this. If your income disappeared tomorrow, how many months could you last? Be honest. If that question made you uncomfortable, it's time to take action. And speaking of action, there's a third lesson from this fire that no one talks about. And it's the difference between losing everything and bouncing back stronger. Firefighters shaking hands, families returning to rebuilt homes, sunrise over LA's skyline. The third lesson, community. After the fire, neighbors came together, strangers donated, and teams rebuilt. Wealth isn't just what's in your bank account, it's who you surround yourself with. Build your financial network, mentors, partners, and like-minded people who push you to grow. So here's your roadmap. Prepare for the fire. Invest in growth. Surround yourself with strength. And remember, even the most devastating fire can lead to new life. Pattern interrupt. Light humor. Or you can just hope Jeff Bezos shows up with a check. But let's be realistic. Transition to CTA. You've learned how to fireproof your financial life, but the journey doesn't stop here. The true secret to wealth? It's not luck, it's compounding. And I've got an eye-opening video waiting for you that reveals exactly how compounding can turn small decisions into massive wealth over time. Click here to watch The Power of Compounding next. It's time to take control of your financial future before the fire starts. See you there.